All right, all right, all right. It's Sunday. Art and activism. Art and activism. I'm getting ready to do the same thing that y'all locked me up for in 2011. I'm getting ready to hang out dirty laundry. I'm putting out toilets, and I'm going to hang out the legal material that shows you how you've been denying us access to the grand jury. Being black in Baltimore 2020. I ain't scared of the coronavirus. I'm scared of the courts and the cancer that y'all got in y'all's Democratic Party in Maryland. I'm scared of Scott Shellenberger. I'm scared of Marilyn Mosby. Those are the things that is affecting the black community other than the coronavirus. It's your cancer in your courthouse. And you use black faces to do it. So this is what I'm getting ready to do to you. I got my truck loaded up. That's the TV set. I'm from Zion, Illinois. I'm that lion from Zion. But we stolen people from Africa. For 400 years we've been here. 400 years y'all been lynching us, murdering us, killing us. So I'm getting ready to do to you what you did to me. I'm getting ready to lynch you. And I'm getting ready to hang out dirty laundry. And I'm going to do it in a very, very public way. We're going to talk about the war on drugs. We're going to talk about Brian Frost and the lawsuits he's been filing, but the lawsuits he's been denying. He's been denying blacks to file a class action lawsuit for their freedom. You got over 10,000 inmates that have been denied their due process and equal protections. You're creating a human trafficking system in Maryland's prison industry. It's human trafficking. We're going to have a community conversation. I'm a whistleblower in the courts, and I want to file a class action lawsuit for blacks illegally incarcerated from 2006 to 2019. A $2.5 billion class action lawsuit. I went to file that December the 20th, 2007, and y'all locked me up for filing a lawsuit. Congressman Cummings got all my paperwork. It's about being fathers to our kids because y'all take us from our families. Mass incarceration and murder. This war on drugs is killing the black community. So we're going to have a community conversation. Opioids versus heroin. Opioids versus medical marijuana. Opioids versus mass incarceration. This community conversation is coming. Now what you can do is lock me up. We're going to take the Constitution to the test. Under the First Amendment, I got a right to freedom of speech, freedom of assembly. I got a freedom to protest. And we're going to do the Fifth Amendment because you took property from me. Unlawful conversion. We're all going to talk about the 13th Amendment, making black people slaves again. But under the Fifth Amendment, you got to compensate me for my losses. It's been 13 years. It's 13 years too long. No justice, no peace. I'm getting ready to turn this shit up in the streets. I'm getting ready to put toilets out here, televisions out here. I'm getting ready to put your information out there. Class action lawsuit for blacks in America. End game is Marcus Garvey. We're going to take black out of America. We've been here for 400 years and ain't nothing going to change. President Trump said, if you want to leave, leave. Dog, I'm ready to go. Cut my finger, Ancestry.com, and let me go. But before I go, I want my dough. I want all the money. A class action lawsuit, we can set up our own country. We're going to talk about the war on drugs because Kwasi Mfume's sitting in office. Bill Clinton was the one that created it. Kwasi Mfume signed off on it. We're going to talk about it. I didn't commit no crimes. I was just exploiting y'all, exposing you. I blew the whistle on you. So now it's dirty laundry season. We're going to set this cancer straight. We're going to get rid of this virus in our courts. And we're going to show you that blacks have no rights. I am Dred Scott. I got videos from 2006 to this present date, and y'all been blocking me access to the court since then. Scott Shellenberger needs to go to jail like Nafong did. And if he don't, like I said, movie coming out. You between a rock and a hard place. If the movie come out before I go to court, how that gonna make y'all look? Because I ain't got to change nobody's name. When I say Delegate Smith, Baltimore City Delegation Chairman, when I say Clippinger, when I say Lieberman, when I say Mary Washington, when I say Mosby, dog, I'm going to Mosby's office. I'm going to put this in front of Mosby's office because she denied us access to the grand jury. Lock me up, I go to court. Go to court, I get a jury trial. Get a jury trial, we get justice. That's the end game, justice.